Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's really been a long time. Please. Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, this is Peace. It's really been long since I last posted a video. So right now I'll be preparing onion rolls. They are made out of rice and onions. You can use leftover rice or fresh rice, any could work. So let's go. For this particular recipe, I'll need 2 onions. So I've used 1 large and 1 small. So I'll start by taking off the top skin. Then I'll go ahead and give it a deep slice through the middle, but I'll not open it, just like you're seeing. I'll now add water and then put on fire for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, our onions are ready. So right now, I'll take them off the fire and then place them in a container where I'll put rainwater because it's cold. There is no ice water, so I'll use the rainwater. It's cold enough to do what I want it to do. So after cooling off completely, I'll right now go ahead and open the onion into one layer. And this comes out easily because of the cooking and cooling process that we did earlier. So right here I have some rice. You can use leftover rice if you have some. I have some already chopped onions here. So I'll go ahead and put the rice and the onions in the bowl. And I'll add in some curry powder. I'll add in a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix and then add some little water. After rolling the onions, I'll now go ahead and make our tomato puree, which is a mixture of tomatoes, onions, chili, and then 2 garlic cloves. I'll add in salt to taste, and then Royco to thicken the soup. Right now I'll go ahead and place our saucepan on fire. And then I'll add in a drop of hot water to avoid burning. And then some cooking oil. And then lastly, I'll pour in our tomato puree, of which you can go ahead and add in any spices you have. But for this, I'll leave it at that stage. I'll not add anything else. Then I'll let it cook through until it's finally ready. Oh my God, just look at that. I love the color. I love the aroma that is coming out of it because of the onions. It really, really looks nice and it tastes nice as well. So that's how the rice looks like on the inside after cutting it through. Cheers! Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Share this video, like, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.